Kanye West hacks Instagram. What?
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
Yo, what's up everybody? My name is Max and you're watching how to get Instagram influencers from Instagram, making you thousands of dollars like this right here. And these type of same influencers can make you 15 to 20,000 per day.
The way my bank account is set up, the thing is, I got a checking and the savings, but all the money is in my savings, so I don't think it's gonna go through. Just give me a second.
Based off the product, the price, the place, and the promotion. And I'll explain a little bit of that in this video, but how do you get all four of those working together to make you the money that you want
Count it up.
in order to live the life that you want?
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
This can either feed your family or give you freedom to literally travel the world and just do whatever you like, because money is freedom in this world. Let's face the facts. And we are living in a time where Shopify Dropshipping gives people the opportunity from like the trap, literally the basement, to make the money that they desire. And we're just very, very blessed. All of us, you, me, all of us, we're all blessed for this opportunity. We need to take this very serious and take it to the full extent and use it the way, you know, the universe has gave it to us. Right here, I'm just making some videos, but I was watching this video. Kanye West is trying to glitch the Matrix.
The Matrix is a system, Neo.
So if you guys haven't seen the video of Kanye going on TMZ and going on like crazy controversial rant.
This reality has been forced upon us. It is a choice. Just like when I said slavery is a choice. The reality, we can make our own reality. We can talk about history, but not too long. We need to talk about our now, because we can fix and start loving each other now.
You know, literally shocked the entire culture of the world, which, by the way, I'm with Kanye West on his underlying message, regardless of whatever he said. I'll link the video in this YouTube video that I'm making, but he says a lot of controversial stuff, but his underlying message was, yo, let's show love to each other and let's let's come together and just give positive energy to each other, and the world is just going crazy over that. But listen, I'm with my boy Ye on that, and we need to just bring positive energy to each other and show love to each other and also help each other. You know, like this video, you would probably pay $1,000 literally for this exact information, and I just my game plan is, yo, just give to the world. And if you guys like this stuff, then maybe down the road, maybe, I don't know how I'll charge for something like this, but this type of content should be free, man. People need to just give this information to the world and let people be able to learn the right steps, because I know, being in your shoes, how it's like to be scrambling, oh, what do I do, where do I go, how do I use Instagram influencers, how are these people making so much money? And there's no video on this, which is crazy. There's videos of certain parts, but nothing just bringing it all together. Stop wasting your time watching a bunch of videos. Just one video, everything in it, and you guys can start making money right there and then, right after this video is done. Just boom, literally, even while watching this video.
Don't say all that. They don't need to know what you tried to do to make it happen. Give me the goddamn.
I would advise watching the entire video first and then getting to the end and then realizing, yo, I can literally just start this right now. Start DMing Instagram influencers and just get the ball rolling. So I want you guys to remember this. Take action, because watching these videos, you guys are just consuming a lot of information, and I was there literally a couple months ago. So yeah, that's just my little rant here, but I'm gonna get the video started. Please hit the like button if you guys enjoyed this video. While you're watching, I'm just gonna say it now, and comment below anything that I missed. Let me know in the comment section below. And also, I just want to say I will have a link to 152 of the best Instagram influencers, or some of the best. There's lots, but 152 of a general very good starting point. I think I only priced it at $2.99. I changed it from 8 to 4 to now 3. So my private Facebook group, you guys can also join. I'll put the link in the description box below. Lots of help there. And yeah, guys, you guys make some money off Instagram influencers. Woo! All right, there are two types of influencers. There's people with niches, like directly like dogs or whatever. But if you're selling something, like someone messaged me, you know, what if I'm selling like kitchen items, right? Like who do I market there? And we can go through that and see, you know, something easy and something that's difficult, like a kitchen item. Where would you market that? So let's go first, something very easy like a dog bed or a dog product or cat or any animal, but I'm gonna just use dog for example. So we have all these dog pages here. Now if you go to dog lovers, for example, you see 1.7 million, you see you see there's a lot of social proof here, meaning there's followers, there's people that actually like this account, you know, the fact that it has 1.7 million. Thing is, a lot of these influencers, they buy followers, do a lot of things that like you may not know if this is a real account or not. So this is where we want to go through the actual pictures and see this one's getting 94,000 likes. This is a real account. You know, if you're trying to scale to the big numbers, I would use this page. I would never start off with a page like this. Keep that in mind. Never start off with a 1.7 million follower base unless you know your product wins. Unless you know your product is a winning product from looking at other people, you know, trying to market the same product and using a very good ad copy and a very good offer. I recommend anybody who's starting on Instagram, free plus. That thing works very well if you know what you're doing. You're gonna get a lot of emails. You may not get the most sales, but you will get sales. Guaranteed. Retail is a little bit, you need to know how to market if you're gonna sell retail stuff, but free plus shipping, guys. Free plus shipping. Go with it. Trust me. If you're trying to get sales, free plus shipping, great ad on a page like this, you will win. Trust me, you will win. And great product also. Go here, you see like, you have to go through the likes and see, are they real people that these guys are tagging? Are these guys real followers? You know, this account is real. You know, you got verified accounts and everything. Like, this account is real. I would love to use this. Now, how do you find more? How do you find more? That's another question. This right here. This is your gold. Click this, and you have all these pages to go through. You can do see all. And just go through all these. You have all these accounts related to this particular influencer. So if you go dogs of Instagram, 4.1 million. You know, definitely a great account. 37,000 likes. You know, comments a little. It is a real account. So if you want to know how to sense the fake and real ones, look at those comments that are saying the same things. Like, wow, cool, amazing, like sweet and pretty dog. This is a fake comment. This is a fake comment. You see the followers and everything, like, it's a fake comment. I love your smile. Okay, this may be real. But like something like that, sweet and pretty dog. That's just, no, it's fake. You can just sense it. Like, do people talk like that? Sweet and pretty dog? No. These are real right here. All these tagging, all these like, you have to look at the comments that like, would someone really truly say what they're saying? That's how you tell if it's real or not. You know, if it just looks really like sketchy or phony, or like just like, you know, it's just so generic, it's probably fake. Yeah, that's just a quick way. And then you just go through these and go through each one. Like, you can just go through each influencer and look at their so this one is 74,000. So when you're starting off, I would recommend the 50 to 100,000, but this is not a good page because it only gets like 500 likes. Go for pages that get at least 10,000 likes. 5 to 10,000 likes are great pages because, and then go through the comments as well, obviously, you know, see, but like 5 to 10,000 likes, that's you know, that's an account to look for. And then go through the comments and see if they're real. If they are, use that influencer. Just test and then negotiate prices. So I think you guys get the point. Like, I'm doing this all in one shot, by the way, as well. I'm not gonna edit this. This is how you're supposed to find influencers. People who are trying to find influencers, just go through, spend your time just going through all these influencers and just keep repeating that same process. Now, what do you do when you find an influencer, let's say I want to contact this person, what do you even say? Go here. Never just, don't send them a picture of your ad or something. Like, just build a relationship first. Always like treat this right here as you're talking to a person. You're trying to build a relationship. This is a real person on the back. You're not talking to a robot. You're talking to a real person, you know. So I just like to go straight for the you know, what do you call it, shot. I'm not trying to just talk to them and keep it. I just go straight, like, either you can do this, business related, and you can do something like that and say how much for this ad, for an ad, and just send that, and they will reply and they will give you some prices, and you negotiate. Always say, hey, like, you know, how about, you know, I always use the word let's do. Like, you know, let's do, you know, if they say 25, I say let's do 15. You know, if they agree, amazing. If they don't, they say no, 25. I'll say, okay, let's do 20. If they still disagree, okay, let's meet in the middle. That's another negotiation tactic. Let's meet in the middle, 22.5. And sometimes they'll be like, all right, whatever, fine. And if they still say no, if they're a great influencer, I would just agree with them and be like, all right, that's cool. Would you give me a discount for the next? You know, I would try to negotiate something for the next time. But if they're an influencer you're just trying to test out, I would always negotiate. Just try to get them $5-10 lower than what they say, because most of them, they will. If you know like how to talk to them, they will do it. But a lot of the big accounts, I've seen the big accounts, they are a little bit, because they get so many people request ads. So you're just one of many. So if you don't give it, someone else will give the money. So keep that in mind. But yeah, this is just a simple message, business related, or you can just go, I do this as well. You can do this as well, right here. Or just straight, how much for the ad, send. And then you negotiate the price. When you negotiate the price, then you send the ad to them and everything. And they will ask, usually the way you pay influencers is through PayPal. So you go into your PayPal, create a PayPal account, business PayPal account, very important. And always do goods and services. Always do goods and services, because you can request a refund if they, you know, do any fraud or anything. Or they don't agree to whatever it is you did. They don't follow what you said. So always do goods and services, because PayPal protects you on that. And if you do friends and family, because they will ask sometimes, say, hey, like, for my business I have to do goods and services, because I just have to. You don't have to give a reason, just say you have to. It's for your business. Because if they do friends and family, you have to pay a fee. So like, they're just trying to get out of that fee. So make sure that as well. And then from then on, you just pay them from PayPal, send them your content. Yeah, that's just a very simple process. So when you want to ask what type of what should you pay for, basically, always try to get the story swipe up. So the swipe up meaning it goes straight to the link. Ask for swipe up, story, link in bio, and a post for 24 hours. Always try to negotiate that. Now, how do we find general pages? A lot of general pages are great on memes, on general account, like general products, something like this. 2.6 million. You know, accounts like this that have, because these get a lot of engagement. People like to see 46,000 likes. Like these pages get a lot of engagement, and you can go through. I want to show you guys like something that actually has an actual, so a story also. So, and if you go through here, okay, these are I'm literally going through the process the way you guys would do it. Because I see a lot of YouTubers out there, they cut all this out. Like, this is what if I was you right now, I wanted to see this. Like, what it actually takes. Like, what do you have to do from the back end? So, hood clips. Like, look at the views on this. You can, like, honestly, if you had, like, very big general products, put them on meme pages. If you want to get, like, the general population to see them. And yeah, like, just find niche specific. Like, a kitchen item can be on, like, a mom's page. If you search, like, mom, like, actual mom. See, you got moms. So kitchen 1.8 right here. So you're wondering, where do I do kitchen items? Right here. It's just like it's not as hard as you think it is. The reason why you guys, a lot of people ask these questions and I was still in the same position is because I wasn't even searching it. I just wanted to, like, one thing you have to understand about this game, you have to put in the work. Like, everybody can tell you all the answers, but unless you actually go in and, like, search and, like, do the work yourself, you're gonna always be stuck in the question asking and not the action doing. And I want to get you guys to the action doing, like actually doing it, instead of trying to question, okay, how do I do it?
My whole attitude changed.
It's like giving you a bike and you, like you sitting on the bike and saying, okay, how do I move this bike? Like, just look down, literally put your foot on the pedal and move it. That's, like, literally the steps.
I said, well, goddamn.
And there's gonna still be people that ask, how do you move the bike? So get yourself out of the question asking and get yourself into action doing. Remember that.
Yo, so if you enjoyed that video, I don't know what you're doing because you never hit that subscribe button yet. So hit that subscribe button down below and let's get this channel running. Let's get the family rolling because you guys are all part of my new family now. We're like extended brothers and sisters. So we need to join this whole community, and I want this community to be positive, to be helping, and to be wanting to change the world for the better and be freedom oriented, wanting to do anything that you really want to wish for, make them reality. So this is the family, the ethics of the family that you're going to be joining by hitting that subscribe button. We're going to make your lives better, and we're going to help each other get to the best version of ourselves. So that's all I have, guys. Look out for the next video. Peace.